बताना क्या है, आप देख लीजिए पिक्चर, बिकॉज वो लंबी कहानी है. सो मेन कैरेक्टर 10 है. नो, आई थिंक यू शुड सी द फिल्म. इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस. वो देख लीजिएगा. आई थिंक इफ यू वांट आई कैन मेक the Hindi writer tell you something about it, and then the director will tell you. Then the art director is here. I'll ask him to tell you something about the character or whatever the story is all about.
Difficult question you asked about the character. Which character? Because there are 10 characters. And 10 characters from different continents. Starting from America to India to different periods. Starting from 12th century to 21st century. So that's the challenge of this film, that it cuts across time and space and place. So that's why each character is more interesting than the other. The characters come from different religious backgrounds, different cultural backgrounds, different political backgrounds. They are the characters of different philosophies, right from very, very aggressive American philosophies to very, very passive Indian philosophies. So there are all sorts of characters. हर तरह के किरदार यहाँ पे हैं. और मेरे ख्याल से इसलिए ये 10 किरदार जो हैं वो एक्टर के किरदार को एक नए तरह से सामने निकालने की कोशिश करते हैं.
When you have a predecessor like Shivari Saab or Hari Bhai, it's very difficult. It makes our life difficult. It's not an idea of doing one better than them. It's simply getting the inspiration from them. And we originally thought when we spoke, why not make it 9, and then we thought, why 9? We'll go into another thing. It will become a remake. So he didn't even know the story. I just spoke to him over phone, and I told the director, 10 roles, a story which goes around the world. How do you like it? He said, hit. That's all he said. And it's very easy to say that thing. That took nearly 2 years of our lives, both our lives. He's saying yes, and I am proposing me proposing the idea. Took us through a long 2-year journey. We had done previously about 4 films, and this one film was equal to 10 films.
Actually, we Tamil industry, Tamil film industry, we have been blessed to have an actor like this. First, of course, Indian film industry also, because I've seen a lot of artists and they've acted in my films. More than 20 actors, very famous actors acted in my film. And the one difference is, he's not only an artist. What to say, that is, if one Kamalji is here and one Kamalji will be walking there and one Kamalji will be sitting there, one Kamalji will be at the behind and one Kamalji will be height, huge, and one will be very small. And I'm talking about one shot, not even one scene, one shot. In that shot itself, that was to be taken in 6 different days, not in one day. And nobody will be there. Nobody will be there, and he has to act alone, like mono acting, more than mono acting. But he has to answer everybody, he has to look everybody, and the variations. Every day to the shooting will be going with the scale and green paper and green marks and green sheets like that. So every day we will be taking, and I will be very much surprised after stitching all the shot, all the layers. In the editing, I will be very much surprised because there will be perfection of looking and answering and questioning. Everything will be perfect.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.